Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I will be showing you how to set up prices for products and services in PipeDrive. Properly setting up your prices helps streamline your sales process and ensures accurate forecasting. So first, log into your PipeDrive account and navigate to the Products tab. This is where you will manage all the products and services that you offer. Click on the Add Product button to start. Enter the name of the product or service you are offering, along with a brief description if needed. This will help your team easily identify each item. Next, you will need to enter the price of the product or service. This can be a fixed price or, if applicable, you can set it up as a range. You can also choose the currency in which you want to display the price. So once you have set the price, you can assign the product or service to specific deals in your pipeline. This allows you to track sales, performance, and ensures that your pricing is consistent across all deals. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Your product or service along with its price is now set up in PipeDrive and ready to be used in your sales process. And that is how you set up prices for products and services in PipeDrive. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.